If you have a murder case, or if your loved one has a murder case in New York State, something to keep in mind is that most of these cases go to trial and it's very tough to get a murder plea. You get a determinate sentence to a set number on a, and statistically speaking, very few cases that are end up in pleas, because in order to offer a plea, in my experience, the prosecutor brings in the district attorney, they bring in the chief of, they bring in the decedent's family, and they all talk about what is the appropriate resolution here. And the ADAs who I've gone up against all say we can't put a number on somebody's life. So if you're interviewing for a case and if the attorney is like, definitely no trial, we'll resolve this pre-trial, you can get a plea on a to a knockdown to a if there is extreme mitigation, if there's cooperation, or if the case is an absolute dog where the prosecutor is like, we may lose this, we have to cut our losses, let's explore a plea. Out of all the cases I've done in state court, only one was a plea, and that was a very tragic case where the client ended up getting man one 10 years. It involved self-defense, limited capacity, defense of others, you name it, whatever the mitigation was, it was there, it was present, and there was an extensive workup done. And the prosecutors did the right thing because they looked at the case to the client's eyes, and they understood why it happened, and giving the client life on the back end was not fair, was not the right thing to do in light of everything that has happened on the case and why the case happened. So if you have a two case in New York State court and the lawyer is like, there's not going to be a trial, just pay us pre-trial, no trial, something's probably up there. So if you're interviewing counsel, if you're retaining counsel on a two case, you need to be thinking about trial.